How do you maintain confidence when making tough decisions? What do you do when you're unsure of the right direction for your team? How do you manage your leadership challenges under pressure? Not everyone is managing material. That's mainly because a few characteristics a manager should have are the ability to lead a group of people and to always appear confident. A leader should also know how to make decisions when necessary. This is where NLP neuro-linguistic programming comes in. NLP is a powerful tool for personal and professional development. It helps you access past experiences where you felt confident and apply those insights to future challenges. Additionally, NLP identifies and addresses the patterns and barriers that may be hindering your management potential, enabling you to overcome them effectively. Ready to enhance your leadership skills with NLP? Contact us today to start your journey.